Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has shed light on his decision to leave out Kaizer Chiefs inform winger Mduduzi Shabalala from the national team squad to face Zambia in international friendly next week. South Africa will take on Chipolopolo on 15 November at the Nelson Mandela Stadium in Gqeberha, with kick-off scheduled for 6 o'clock. Bruce revealed that only one friendly was scheduled for this international window, largely due to the congested Premier Soccer League calendar, with domestic teams facing tight fixture list, including Chiefs' upcoming CAF Confederation Cup campaign. The Belgian tactician felt it was the right moment to test new faces and said it's a moment that you can try and pick some other players. When asked about Shabalala's omission, and Nemdachela has made a very good performances for Pirates, so I think I have to call him and see how he is behaving and training with the group. The Bafana Bafana coach was quick to clarify that Shabalala's exclusion was not a reflection of poor form. The 20-year-old has been one of Chiefs' standard performers, netting 3 goals and providing 1 assist in his last 4 league outings, and said that's why Shabalala is not there. It's not a question of him not playing well or me not wanting him anymore. But again, it's the last game. I'll do such things, experiment with selections. I just wanted to see Namdachela in the team and assess if he's already at the Bafana Bafana level. Shabalala made his senior debut for South Africa in their 3-0 win over Rwanda, coming on a late substitute in the 89th minute. He has been part of the national setup for the last 2 camps and is widely regarded as one of the country's brightest young talents. While his omission might surprise some fans, Bro's comments suggest Shabalala remains firmly in the coach's long-term plans, with the door still wide open for his return in future selections. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.